How are you?
I'm also fine, thank you. And I have a very interesting question for you. What are you going to do this summer?
Oh, I have a great plan. I'm going to visit Brazil this summer.
Really? Wow. Why Brazil?
I just want to make my life more green and Brazilful. Also, I have friends from Brazil, and they are so fun and friendly. Also, they are so different from me, and I want to see new approaches for work with children.
Oh, really? Do you like working with children? And have you ever worked with children before?
Yeah, I do love working with children.
Really?
And I worked as a tutor and English teacher here in Russia and also abroad.
Great! Abroad. You're so lucky. And what did you do and where did you go?
I worked in Egypt in 2013, and there were a lot of children from all over the world.
Wow.
And we had English lessons, we played interesting games, prepared some evening shows, and made some performances.
Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. And I also heard that you were a member of ISEC. Is this true?
Yes, it is. I work in ISEC as a team leader of social projects and as a vice president of development. And ISEC work taught me our passion for new knowledge became bigger and bigger when we are getting older.
Really, such a great experience, I should say, yeah? And what do you want to say to our viewers?
For my current friends in Brazil and my future friends in Brazil, I want to say, wait for me, I'm coming.
Great, thank you very much for coming. And that was Kusel Nasirova from UFA on our Global Talent TV show. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye, see you.